Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send a text behind your footage. Before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button, click the like button and leave a comment. Alright, let's get started. Before we move to the main section, that is the main video, I want to show you guys how to add a voiceover in your video, that is how to get text to speech. Alright, in order to get text to speech, I want you guys to go to this website ttsmp3.com. When you go to this website, it is a free text to speech. Yes, text to speech, and you can download it into your local storage. Alright, in order to make use of it, when you get to the website, type any text that you want to write here. So what I'm going to write here is that welcome to my channel, welcome to my channel guys. Yes, so when you write anything that you want it to convert to speech for you, so when you're done, you have to choose your preferred language. When you have to click over here, so when you click over here, you need to choose your preferred language. So the language that I'm going to use here is British English, which is AMI. So when I choose it, you have to click on read in order to convert this text to what? To speech. Without clicking on read, it's not going to convert it to speech. If you do not click on read and click on download as MP3, it will not convert it to speech. So you have to click on read in order to convert the text to speech. So when you click on read now, it's going to create it.
Welcome to my channel guys.
Have you seen it? So did you see how it converted this text to speech?
Welcome to my channel guys.
So did you see? So when you are done, you click on download as MP3. So when you click on download as MP3 now, this audio is going to download in your local storage and you can access it. Alright, it has been downloaded now. So in order to access it, you click on open. So it's going to open in your local storage. So when it's open, you click on play.
Welcome to my channel guys.
Alright, so that's how to get a text to speech. Yes, how to get a voiceover. You can add it in your video, you can add it, you can send it to your friends, you can do whatever you want to do with it. Alright, let's get to the main section, which is sending a text behind your footage in Capcut. Let's get started. So what you guys gonna do now is that you have to open your Capcut application. So when you open the Capcut application, you're going to choose your project, which is you click on new project. So when you click on new project, from here you have to get the footage that you want to work on. So I'm going to select this footage. So this is the footage that I'm going to work on. If you need this footage, just leave a comment. I'm going to send it to you immediately. So when you get the footage, you click on add. So when you click on add, it's going to move it over to your workspace. So this is your timeline. Remember in the previous video that I explained introduction to Capcut, I told you guys that this is called timeline. Alright, so this is timeline. You can click on play and they play the footage. Alright, the next thing that we are going to do now is that we're going to add an overlay. So which is the text that we want to send behind this footage. So what are we going to do? We need to get the overlay. So in order to do that, you click on overlay. So when you click on overlay, you click on add overlay. So when you click on add overlay, right now we're going to get the text. The text is over here. So this is the text that I'm going to make use of. So this is the text, welcome to my channel. So when you get the text, you click on what? On add. So the text is going to be over here immediately. So the next thing that you're going to do is that you need to set the text in the way that you want it to be. So I'm going to extend and increase it. So when I resize it, I'm going to move it backward. So if you want, you can increase the size also. So but I think that this size is okay for me. So when it's good, so when you are done, you move it backward. So I want it to be here. So this is where I want it to be. So when you are done, this is called keyframe. Keyframe is used to animate images, videos, yes, and the text. So keyframe is used to do what? It's used to animate image, which is photos, text, and the videos. So in order to make use of keyframe, so this is where I want the animation to start. So I want the animation to start here. So when I'm done, I have to click on what? On add, which is the keyframe. So when I click on add, I move to where I want the animation to end. So what am I going to do? I have to extend the timeline of the image, which is the overlay one. So when I extend it, I move over there. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I want the animation to end there, which I want it to move horizontally like this. So I want it to move horizontally like this and end what? And end here. So this is where I want the animation to end. So it has already added, so there is no need to add the keyframe already because it has added automatically. So when you are done, let's test it and see how it looks. So let's play it and see how it looks. So did you see how I animated this image? So did you see it? Keyframe is used to animate footage, image, and the what and text. So this is how to do it. So the next thing that we're going to do, as you can see, the text did not went behind the footage. Yes, the text did not went behind the footage. What am I going to do now? I'm going to make the text to went behind the footage. So in order to do that, I'm going to add another overlay. So click on overlay. So the next, what are we going to do now is that we're going to get the footage, which is this one. So this is the footage. So I'm going to overlay it. So when you are done, you click on what? On add. So the footage is going to be like this. As you can see, did you see the boundaries of it? So it doesn't reach to the maximum. So what am I going to do? I'm going to resize it in order for this overlay footage to reach to the maximum. So in order to do that, I'm going to use my two fingers and expand. So when I use my two fingers, I expand it. So when you expand it, don't expand it too much. So you need to make sure that it aligns with the main footage. So when it aligns with the main footage, I think it's okay like this. You leave it. So let's play it and make sure that everything is okay. So did you see it? The text is not appearing because this footage covers the text. So that is what is called overlay. So yes. So what are we going to do now? The next thing that we're going to do is that we are going to remove the background of this footage, which is the overlay one. So in order to do that, select the footage and move to cut out. So you move to cut out. This is chroma. Remember in the previous video I told you that chroma is used to remove one particular color in your video. So if you want to remove a particular color, which is red, blue, any color that you want to remove in your video, you are going to make use of chroma. But this video consists a lot of colors and the many backgrounds. So what are we going to do? We are going to make use of remove background. So you click on remove background. So remove background is going to remove the background immediately for you. So it's going to take a while, like few seconds. So exercise for some patience so that it's going to remove it for you immediately. So when you are done, you click on what? On good. As you can see, it has removed the background automatically from the footage. So what am I going to do? Let me play the video so that I will see how good it looks. Okay guys, did you see how it looks? So what I want you guys to do now is that, let me move backward. Okay, this. So what am I going to do? I'm going to make it I'm going to move it upward a bit. I'm going to move it upward. Yes, I think here is okay. I think here is okay. So let me play it from here. So let me play it. Okay, so let me set it properly. In order to set it properly, let's remove the keyframe entirely. Let's remove it entirely. All right, let's remove it entirely. Let me move it backward. Let me move it backward. I want it to be really good and okay. So let me send it inside. Let me send it inside from here. So you click on add. Now you move down to the end of the clip, which is here, which is exactly here. Let me remove the ending of this. So this is the end of the clip. So this is the end of the clip. So what am I going to do? I'm going to move it backward so that it's going to move like this. Yes. So I want it to move like this. I want it to move like this. Yes, let it end here. Yes. So when I'm done, the keyframe has automatically been added. So let's play it and you'll see how it looks. Did you see how lovely it looks? Did you see how beautiful it looks? So this is exactly how to do it. Alright, this is exactly how to do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it useful and lovely, click the subscribe button and leave a comment. Alright, see you soon.